Good morning everyone. It's 5:53 in the morning. It's June 16. Kailangan kong magising ng umaga dahil pipick upin ako nung travel agency. Ang errand natin today ay the most popular underground river. Cons of being a solo traveler, di ko malagay yung bracelet. Pinapa ako dito. Life hack, idikit sa pader para malagay ang bracelet. This is what I am wearing pala, no? Kulay blue ako, parang si Avatar. Ayan. Orange, my favorite color. Yung pants ko medyo manipis, pero ang ginawa ko na lang, nagsuot ako ng yung parang leggings na white para hindi see-through. Lalo na pag nabasa. Ready ko na yung gamit ko. Para pag katapos kong kumain, ready na akong bumaba. Let's go, let's have our breakfast. So we're here at the breakfast restaurant. We have a lot of selections here. Breads, bacons, fruits of course. We got in here a garlic sausage, breaded loaf meat, and tropical fruits. So, kailangan kong mag-withdraw muna. Tapos, nakita ko sa Google Maps, merong nearest BPI. Meron kasi sa Google Maps. Ito siya, oh.
Ay! Papunta na po yan sa bayan.
Ah, malayo to?
Na po yan.
Thank you po. Quick transition. Good thing, meron palang Euronet worldwide sa tabi ng hotel. And nakita ko doon parang free withdrawals yung mga BPI. Doon ako nag-withdraw. Andito na yung driver. This is what we're riding today. Sa BPI. Sorry. It's okay. Morning po.
No, good morning. So again, we were going to have a underground river tour. It takes us less than 2 hours drive from here. No? Very good beaches. Cross from here, going to that part, about it. So he said that there's no water.
It's 9:12 in the morning. May stop kami. See the view. Dinaanan namin kanina yung West Philippine Sea now. Maambon. Galing, no? The craftsmanship. Ganda ng view. Unique. Nagtitinda rin ng fresh buko. Sabi nung tindera kanina, bago daw mag-audit, bago daw sila sinalanta ng audit, parang hindi nila siniseryoso yung bagyo. Doon lang nila na-realize na kailangan nilang magkaroon ng preemptive actions.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms.
We are here. Let's go.
Okay na, picture muna kita.
Ay, sige po. Ayan, pinaiwan ko lang yung mga gamit ko dun sa van ulit. Kasi bumili ako ng mas maliit na bag, yung waterproof na bag. Ganda, oh. I love this one. It's perfect. Base sa mga napapanood ko dito sa YouTube or sa TikTok, super nagtagal silang kakahintay bago nakasakay. Pero fortunately tayo, naayos na ng maaga yung mga kailangan i-submit, makayaran. Kaya ngayon, next in the line na po tayo. Wow! Yun na po ay sasakay in no time. Sana kayanin na sunscreen ko. Boat number 17. Wow, ang ganda. Nag-picture lang kami dun sa signage, tapos diretso na kami dito. I think we're entering another park kung nasan yung mga monkeys. And then we have to wear our helmets as well. My favorite color. Ay, sorry.
There are only 7 in the world.
What's this, sir?
Yan po yung
Ay, parang signage, sir.
Yes, sort of ano po to, na lahat po ng yung 7 wonders of nature, kagaya ng Jeju Island, Iguazu Falls, yung kasama yan. Sir, video tayo ha. Kakaway ka lang, sir ha. Okay pa.
We have reached the entrance. Audio device.
Okay guys.
Ang dami ko nang sabit. Wow.
Yan pa
nakarap
dyan
doon.
sa harap mismo.
Dito po?
Bali actually, medyo lapit po tayo. Bali ma'am sir, bakante sa atin yung gitna. Kung gagawin lang natin para lang mag-group. Bukuin mo na natin. Dito, dalawa rin.
Si Ma'am Tina po. Hello po.
And then we have also a crew. They were going to play your audio device so that it will be synchronized once you get inside the cave of the underground river. And it takes you 40 to 45 minutes boat ride after the tour.
We have now entered the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. As we all know, this is one of the 7 wonders of nature. It has a very rich biodiversity. So we are reminded na bawal mag-ingay sa loob para hindi magambala yung mga bats na naninirahan. We were given audio devices kung saan may nag-explain and may background music there that adds up to the magical feeling. I can't even explain how beautiful this place is, especially that this was entirely made by Mother Nature.
Nakababa na po kami ng boat and we are going to the buffet restaurant. It was really magical to be there. Hindi ka nakapunta ng Puerto Princesa kung hindi ka bumisita ng underground river. Look at the view. Wow! Isn't that so amazing? It is called the Sarang Restaurant. Korean and Filipino food. Care of na lang ito ng tour guide ng parang travel agency. So talagang pipila ka na lang, kakain ka na lang. Hello po. Mag-zipline po. Ano pong lugar na ito, sir? Sabang. We're in Sabang. Solo flight. Mag-isa lang po akong mag-zipline. Mag-isa lang ako, sir. May lalakarin. Go. Wow. Okay. Solo traveler means mag-isa ka talaga. Legit, yung mga nakasama ko sa tour, parang walang gustong mag-zipline. Ako lang may gustong mag-zipline. O edi, ako na lang mag-isa. Lalakarin natin yan hanggang dun. Tapos magte-trek pa daw tayo paakyat. Grabe. Sobrang init. The water here is so blue. Looks so pristine. And yun palang ano kanina, yung subterranean river. Grabe, parang nakikita ko lang yun sa mga libro noon. One of the most popular places here in the Philippines, if not in the world. It's so surreal na nakita ko na siya in person. And kapag nakapasok talaga kayo, lalo na yung cathedral, sobrang lawak ng ceiling. And you really can't imagine how did it happen. And that's I think the magic of nature. That's the magic of God. This way to Sabang zipline. And now we're going to trek. Taas! Taas! Grabe yung stiff, oh! Oh my gosh! Baka mahulog yung gamit ko. Wait lang. Grabe din naman yung hingal ko. Alam nyo ba guys? Wala akong kasama. Like as in wala. Zero. Sinusundan ko lang yung trail. I hope I'm in the right direction. Kasi kung hindi ko na kayang hanapin pa yung zipline. Parang hindi natatapos. I have to be very careful kasi bangin na po. Update. Wala pa rin ako sa zipline. Ayan. Narinig ko yung zipline. Tama naman siya. Finally.
Opo, kayo na po yung...
Harness on. Let's go. Parang naalala ko yung giant swing. This is real.
Baga mag-imbag po, takas pa.
I guess it's my turn. Standing here makes me feel nauseous.
Tawas na kayo lang, sir. Okay, ganun.
Let's do this. Look at the view. It's pulling me. That is the coolest thing ever. So this is how we go back. We have to walk in the water. Sobrang saya ng zipline. Na-conquer ko na naman yung fear ko. You know what? Matagal ko na nilulook forward talaga yung zipline na yan. Before ako pumunta dito sa Palawan, yun yung parang sa mga nakita ko online that I thought I should try. Actually, mas nakakatakot pa rin talaga yung giant swing. No joke. Mas nakakatakot siya. Kasi biglang da-drop ka. Not unlike this one. Gradual yung pag-drop. I am back here sa hotel. Sobrang dami kong ginawa. And the first thing na talagang mako-comment ko is the subterranean river. Like what I've said, sa libro ko lang nakikita sa mga modules, sa mga lessons namin as a tourism graduate. Nakatulong kasi din yung yung audio. Nina-explain lahat ng mga nakikita namin doon, and it was so fun. Of course, yung zipline din. I've conquered another fear.